Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math on this Wednesday. So, we're in the middle of learning about all kinds of different shapes and putting shapes together and creating different shapes and all that good stuff. Well, I want to go back today and practice some of our strategies for adding and subtracting. Now, as you can see behind me, I've already put up a number line that we can use today. You can also use pictures if you like to use pictures, or if you have cubes or little pebbles or rocks or little figures or something that you could use to count, you can use that too. Now, I normally would be using our cubes, but guess what? Bigsby Wolf has borrowed them all. So right now, I don't have any. Hold on, everything. Hold on, Mr. T. What? Chadwick, what's going on, buddy? Look what I have, Mr. T. You brought some cubes. Why, yes, of course. I got some cubes, and now you're safe. I'll stand over here to make sure that Bigsby doesn't come by so you can finish your lesson. Hi, kids. Well, thank you very much, Chadwick. Man, what a big help. Oh, you're right over there? Okay. All right. Chadwick has helped out and brought cubes so we can practice our math. Now, let's get started. We'll look at a problem. Let's just start with 5 plus 3. So a couple ways we can do it. 5 plus 3. I can start off with my cubes. I can grab 5 cubes. Here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can grab 3 more cubes. 5 plus 3, put them together, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Let's see. We'll double check it. There's 5. There's 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. I can also do it here. So it's addition. So I'm going to find the 5. And here it says to add 3. So that means I'm going to jump 3 times. So I'm only going to count when I land the jump. So here's 5. We're going to jump 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 8. There we go. We got this correct. 5 plus 3 is 8. Let's work with subtraction. In fact, why don't we do this? 8 minus 5. How can I do this? How can I show 8 minus 5? Well, I can take my cubes, get 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes. There we go. Take 5 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're left with 3. Let's see if we could do that with our picture. We can start with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. Now, here's what we don't want to do. We drew our 8. When we added, we drew the 5 also. We drew both numbers, correct? Not for subtraction. For subtraction, you're taking away from this whole number at the top. You're taking away now. So what you're doing is circling and crossing these out, not adding them anymore. So you don't want to draw both the numbers on subtraction. If you take anything away from today, you don't want to draw both of the numbers when you are subtracting. You don't do it. You just draw the first number, 8. Take away 5. So I'm going to circle and cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle, cross out. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3. Now we can also use our number line. We can start at 8, jump back because we're subtracting. We're going to go back 5 and see what we land on. Start at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we end up on? 3. So each one gave us 3. So it's a good bet that we got it correct. All right. So now we've practiced a couple strategies. I'm going to give you a few problems to do. How about 5 plus 2. And 6 minus 4. How about we go a little bit bigger on this one? 12 plus 5. And 14 minus 7. Remember, if you don't have a number line and you like using that number line, draw one on your own, just like I did. I just drew one on my own. How about we have a 16 plus 3? Oh, what about 19 minus 8? All right. Get those guys down. You can pause that and write them down, because we're going to do something else real quick. So we went over this not too long ago. Let's see if we remember. How about 64 minus 20? How did we do that? Well, one of the ways we could do it is to draw a picture, because if we look at our number line, the number line I made only goes to 20. I'm starting at 64. I can't use that one. So remember our quick tens that we drew? They're just lines. How many tens are there in 64? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing that we're going to do is subtract our tens. So you have the ones in 20, there's no ones. So we don't have to worry about that. So we're just doing the tens. 2 tens go away. It's subtraction, so remember, you don't draw the second number. Took the 2 tens away, we're now left with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Right? Let's do an addition one. How about addition? We'll do 35 plus 21. First thing we do, draw 35. 3 tens, 5 ones. Now, look at the symbol. This is addition. So we're adding the two numbers together. So when we're adding the two numbers together, we need to draw them both. So when you're adding, you do draw both of the pictures. 21 is made up of how many tens? 2, good. How many ones? 1. Now we put them all together. First thing we want to do in these addition problems is check how many ones we have. We want to see if we can make any tens, right? So we'll see we have 5, 6. Did that make a new 10? No, didn't make a new 10, but we know that we have 6 ones, so we can put that 6 in the ones column. Now we count up the tens together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 56. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a couple problems to add and subtract. Let's try 42 plus 20 and 31 minus 10 and 55 minus 30. And finally, one more. We'll have 45 plus 31. These are our problems to go along with those other ones, okay? So just a little bit of review for math. Use the strategy that best suits you. The one that you like the best is the one that I want you to use, all right? If you want to use our cubes, make sure you're using our cubes. Bigsby got him. It's all right. I have some more. If you want to use these cubes, Bigsby, he won't get these ones. If you want to use your cubes, use your cubes. You have a number line you can use as well. Count on, count back. Now remember, for adding these big numbers and subtracting these big numbers, you're probably best off just drawing a picture. Okay? Just drawing a picture. All right, boys and girls, enjoy this, have fun, and I'll keep these hidden from Bigsby. We'll see you later, guys. Bye. You got him.